This changes everything. Everything everybody thinks they know about this Charlie Kirk shooting. Holy mackerel. Set it aside. Put your ego away. Jason's about to just change everything. So, brother, show him what you found and how you found it. And who's this Adam Bartholomew guy? Because, I mean, I'm kind of speechless, man.
Well, thank you for all of that, John. We should also, for any viewers who haven't seen me before, we should let them know. You and I have worked together for years. We're sort of at this stage of the career now where we're just going to be like The Who. We'll just do reunion shows from now until we're 80. But
what do you think about this? This is crazy. They're connecting to Butler, UAVs flying around, and these are all patsies. This is crazy. Pay attention.
By the way, that you're going to love, because, well, let me take everybody through this, and then we'll get to the new stuff. So the guy who shot this footage, the answer to how I found it was the crowdsource process. Somebody told me, hey, this guy shot a live stream at the event. So this is Adam Bartholomew. He's got a son who goes to Utah Valley University, and he's just a hobbyist live streamer who was there covering the event, talking to the students. He starts rolling. So the first thing that's important to establish is that he starts rolling at 12:04 p.m. local time. And that's verified because he sent me the metadata that shows when the file was created on his iPad. We'll get into the technical specifics of how he created this and why that's so important.
Tucker Carlson. And by the way, they're all watching. All right, so Jason crowdsources the content, gets in touch with the guy. The guy is a kind of an independent journalist guy himself, understands the importance and value. Well, right, he does have a full-time job, but he's been documenting sort of the, what was he saying?
He's a Republican delegate.
Right.
In Utah. And what he actually said to me on the show yesterday is that he started doing this live streaming because the Democrats would lie about what happened at these events. So he wanted to follow Adam as well.
I mean, I gotta say, the official story doesn't make any sense to me. This is making a lot more sense, and they're tying this to Butler because everyone's still focused like, can you pull Patsy from thin air? And the answer is, yeah, you can. I mean, everything about the Crooks investigation was weird. Everything about Charlie Kirk's so far, what's going on is weird. The guy's not, responding. There's UAVs floating out there and stuff. If you're telling me that you're going into a stadium and there's UAVs flying around doing facial recognition at 150 miles an hour and you can take a accurate face shot and can change the sound and the pitch and stuff like that, we're in a whole different ball game, man. Like, that's, I'm looking at videos and people are looking up and I'm like wondering why they're looking up. Maybe because the drone was right above their head floating. Look, I'm just going off of different theories. This one has video evidence and the trajectory and everything that lines up with this theory.